The Touch of Sage mobile app is super easy to use and features many great tools to help make your dining experience even more exceptional. You can check your menu ahead of time, filter allergens and eating patterns, rate menu items, and so much more. You can download the free Touch of Sage mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have a Touch of Sage account, you can access it by simply opening the app. It'll keep you logged in automatically. If you're logged out, tap Log In and enter your email address and password. To set up your account, tap Register. Enter your email address and create a password, then hit Register again. Fill in your information on the setup page, then tap Continue. Type in your school's zip or postal code, pick your school, then hit Finish. You're all set. To change your name, update your password, or add a profile photo, tap the three bars in the upper left-hand corner and select Manage Account. You can also change your school by scrolling down to the Current Location section. With a parent account, you can add your child's school to access the menu. You can even connect with your child to see items they favorited, recommend menu items, and even create an allergy profile for them. Tap the Add a Child button to create their account. Enter their email address and a password, and add their first and last name. If your child already uses Touch of Sage, toggle over to Existing and enter the email associated with their account. A request will be sent to them to allow you to access their profile. You can add multiple child accounts, even if they go to different schools. To switch between your profile and your child's, tap your name and select the account you want to bring up. Let's navigate the menu. Tap the three bars in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, then hit Menu. You'll be taken to the current menu, but you can choose to view a menu for another day by scrolling through the weekly calendar or tapping the date at the top and selecting from the monthly view. You'll notice that the menu is organized by station. The items listed within the station category are what's available for that day. If your food service program offers other menus, such as one for an off-campus cafe, tap the three dots on the upper right-hand side of the app and choose which menu you want to see. Tap the sun icon to view additional daily offerings, like condiments and beverages. Do you see the green dots next to menu items? Those are called spotlights. Each menu item is assigned a spotlight based on its nutrient density. The darker the green, the more nutrient dense that food is. Foods higher in nutrient density contain more of the nutrition the body needs to function. Choose foods you enjoy while practicing variety, balance, and moderation. Sage's priority is safety. We pay careful attention to the ingredients we use and work closely with the team at your school to understand the community's food allergies and dietary needs. Of course, we want all our guests to feel included and enjoy a safe meal. So one of the many great features of Touch of Sage is the allergen filter. With this, you can filter any of the 12 most common allergens to help you easily identify menu items that are safe for you to eat. Tap the filter icon to bring up the list of allergens. Select the allergens you're avoiding, then hit Save. This information will be saved to your profile, so you won't have to repeat this every time. When you're brought back to the menu, you'll notice any item containing a selected allergen is now faded. You can also filter menu items by vegetarian and vegan eating patterns, as well as performance spotlight dishes to fuel physical performance. Did you see a light bulb or drop of oil icon anywhere on your menu? A Learn More light bulb means an allergen may be in the menu item, depending on the ingredients used. When you see this, you should avoid the dish or ask your Sage manager for more information. The drop of oil icon indicates that the menu item gets fried in shared oil. If you see this symbol, avoid the menu item or ask your Sage manager if foods containing your allergen were prepared in the same frying oil. To check what ingredients are in a menu item, tap the dish's name, then hit Nutrition. This will bring up the full list of ingredients for that recipe. If an ingredient contains any of the 12 most common allergens, you'll see the allergen tag next to its name. Next to ingredients, there's a tab for viewing nutrition information. However, we passcode protect nutrition information as part of our approach to prevent eating disorders. If needed, you can request the code from your Sage Manager. Is there a specific dish you've had at school that you really enjoy? You can add any menu item to your list of favorites. Tap the menu item, then hit Favorite. You'll see a heart icon next to it whenever it's on the menu. Access your list of favorites on the app's homepage under the Favorites tab. We're always looking for ways to improve our menus, and you can help us with that by rating or providing feedback on menu items. To do this, select the menu item you want to review, then tap Feedback. Use the stars to give your rating, then let us know how often you like to see that item on your menu. You can also write a few comments and even attach a photo. Hit the Submit button when you're finished. Want to know how to contact your Sage Manager or know what special events your dining program will be hosting? Use the 3 bars in the upper left-hand corner to navigate over to Location. Here you'll have all the information to contact your Sage Managers. To view special events, click the Calendar tab. This allows you to view any upcoming events that will be featured in your dining hall. Tap the box for more information about that event. And don't forget to check out some of Sage's recent blog posts under the News tab. Download the Touch of Sage mobile app today to make your dining experience even better.